This is only the second flight. Second flight of this summer. I think it's May 30th, 2019, about 2 in the afternoon. Just thought I'd get out and warm up the bird. Haven't done much flying this summer. Thought I'd take it up the road and familiarize. I tell you what, I found out one thing. I've lost a lot of what I knew from last summer. And the bad thing was I couldn't see the screen. I was like sitting right in the sun that was coming in over my shoulder and just made the tablet screen all black, so I couldn't see what the heck where I was going, what I was doing. You'll see. I'm just lucky I didn't have a wreck going up the road here. You can see I almost hit the trees, almost hit the wires. Didn't really know where I was at, so I decided I'd turn around and bring it back and wait till later in the day and see if I could get a decent flight out of it. So that's it.